Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series on how to design a gym membership website or fitness club website with Elementor and WordPress. Okay, now we have in our previous episode we have designed this header section. Now in this upcoming video or this episode, let's design the following sections. For example, this about us section and this services section. Okay, for this let's copy this column, paste it here, and let's add a new column, bring back here to the right. Okay, then go to the section advanced, padding about 150 to the top, 150 to the top, 150 to the bottom. Okay, that's it. Then go to this column advanced and add about 50 pixels margin to the right. Okay, here we can insert an image, preferably a portrait image. I have already downloaded an image from pipic.com. This is the one. Here we go. Okay, here about our gym or our company. Text, let's reduce the font size a little, 20. Okay, then here style, font size about 50. Okay, let's reduce this line height a little here in pieces. Okay, that's good. Then text editor, Ctrl+V. Okay, something like this. And here we can add margin about, and the top about 40 and bottom about 40, like this, in the negative space here. And yeah, this content is too wide and an image height is little shorter than this column. So if you want to adjust that, here at the beginning we add margin in this column, so let's remove this margin. Okay, this again here, go to this right margin and add the margin on this right column, 50 pixels to the left. Okay, here we go. Now it looks better. Okay, here in this template we have this top border and left border, but this is not plain solid color border, there is few dot particles. Yeah, so this is image background, not just solid color border. If you want solid border color, it is quite easy. Go to this image style, and here border solid top about 30. So I remove the left and bottom. Sorry, left 30, right, remove it. Okay, something like this. Here for the color you can just sense it. Okay, for solid color, quite easy. You can use it using this border, and you can also design the same thing with box shadow. But if you want these particles, then you have to insert an image. In that case, let's remove this border, go to advanced, background. Here classic and image, upload and background image. I'll just use this one and go to here in the margin or padding. Here let's add padding about left 30 and top 30. Then you will be able to see the background image here. If this is an image like this one with dot particles, then you will be able to see the dot particles here. So yeah, okay, we do not need all these things, so delete this. Okay, remove this background too. We do not need this. Okay, that's it. And let's see how it looks on mobile and tablet. For tablet, for mobile, here it goes. Here we can remove this margin for mobile, and yeah, that's good. And here, same here, this padding, section padding, we can remove it on mobile. Oh, keep a little for here at the bottom, about 50. Okay, but for the top here we have image, so we do not need that padding. Okay, let's see how it looks on tablet. Wow. Oh, here layout 50 pixel. Oh, okay, then 60. Then reduce this to the layer column white to 40. Okay, still not enough. Oh, yeah, we can try reducing the font, but yeah, will not be enough. The content here is too much in comparison to the head of this image. So what we can do, either keep it this, or you have to design, you can add, you have to add another layer here, span, another section for this contents. Okay, let's try reducing the fonts first. It is already 40. If it is reduced more than 40, then there will be no uniformity in the typography. So yeah, that's trouble. Okay, here let's remove this margin. Accept later, and here we can let's try reduce this margin to okay. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, for tablet. Okay, that's it for this episode. We have designed this section. Okay, let's do step by step. Okay, if you have any questions or feedbacks, don't hesitate to contact me on WhatsApp or Facebook or in the comment section below. Okay, and in the next upcoming episode, let's design this services section. Okay, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.